Welcome to Math 146 Online. My name is Angie Redman. I'm your instructor for the quarter. I want to take just a few minutes to give you an overview of what you're going to find in our Canvas classroom. So we call the site Canvas. This is our online class site. I'm here at the home screen, and on the home screen you'll find a couple of important areas where you will find some course information. So over here on the right side, you'll see the upcoming to-dos. These come right off of the calendar, so you know what's coming up, when the first day of class is, when you've got your first discussion board due, so things like that. So a great place to see what's coming up at a view. Over here on the left, we've got some tabs for the class, and then there's also some tabs for navigating through Canvas. I want to take you through the class tabs first. Connect Math, I'm going to click on it here in just a second. Connect Math is the required ebook. It's going to feel a lot more like an online homework and quiz site that's required for the class. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you through a couple of prompts that will get you registered for, and you can also purchase access directly through this site. There's more information about getting registered in one of the modules. Once you get registered, you can access all of the online quizzes. We have online quizzes that are due each Monday. We also have a required online midterm and final exam, as well as some homework. Some of the homework is optional and some of the homework is required. And you'll see that the required homework is marked with an asterisk that has a 75% minimum. You don't need to purchase access to it right away. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the website. There is a 2-week temporary access code that you can use to access it. You can purchase access through the bookstore, but it's about $30 more. If you're able to purchase access directly through me, through this class site, it runs at about $100. So that's the Connect Math tab. Underneath that is the Modules tab. The Modules tab is where the majority of the course material is located. We go ahead and click on that. Our class is organized into modules. You can populate these. Let me just scroll back up. I really want you to take some time going through the getting started modules. A little welcome message from me here. Definitely read through the syllabus so you know what the expectations are, how the grade is weighted, things like that. Meet Your Instructor has my contact information. I am not on campus during summer, but there are several different ways that you can connect with me, including through this site, through Canvas. There is a graphing calculator that's required for the course. A TI 83 or 84 is great. You can check one out from the library, but you also have a couple of alternatives. You can get an app on your phone. This Graphing Calc is the one that I recommend because it's really similar to the one that we use in class. You can also download a free calculator simulator through Wabbit EMU. So you've got several different alternatives here, but the graphing calculator is a required tool for the course. Okay, back to our modules. So you are going to take some time, read through the information here. As I scroll down, there's also another Getting Started module that will take you through everything you need to know about Connect Math, how to get registered, how to get a 2-week temporary free access if that applies to you. There are also some video tutorials. I did make these a few years ago, so anything that has to do with the class policy might be a little bit different, but everything that has to do with Connect Math, how to access things, where to click and things like that are still relevant. And then there's also some frequently asked questions about Connect Math. Okay, so as we continue to move through here, I'm just going to populate, click the arrow for the tables and formulas. We'll use these about halfway through the quarter, so you don't need those right away. And then the next module has information about the required midterm and final exam, which are both online in Connect Math. Okay, so finally we get to kind of the heart of the modules here, which are our weekly modules. The first one starts on the first day of the quarter, which is Monday, June 24th, and goes through the following Monday. All of our modules will start normally on a Tuesday. This one starts on a Monday and a Tuesday with the required online quiz due the following Monday. So our modules go Tuesday through the following Monday. Each module has an overview. The overview, students find this to be a really great checklist to go through to make sure that they're doing everything they need to do for the week. I also cover what you're covering for the week, and then a checklist here, you know, getting that TI 84, registering for Connect Math. There's a Getting Started quiz due this week, a biography, so an introduction of yourself to the class, and then the quiz that's due the following Monday. I'm going to go back to the modules view instead of clicking the next button at the bottom, because I just want to show you at a glance what's included in each of these modules. So back up to that week 1 module, though you'll notice that there is the overview. Each of the weekly modules contains an overview. Most modules have a weekly discussion board. This week it's the biography discussion board. This week also has a Getting Started quiz here in Canvas, and a material quiz, a chapter 1 through 3 quiz, which is due in Connect Math. So a couple things for this first one. I also have included lecture videos. These are videos made by me. They are tailor-made so that you'll be successful on the Connect Math quizzes and any activities that we might be doing during the week. So we've got several videos here to watch for the week. And then there's also a class survey that I have you guys take. This gives us some really great data to work with as we're working through the rest of the class material. It also gives you a chance to get a better feel for what a variable means in terms of statistics. So a variable isn't just an X, it's like hair color or credits taken or something like that. And then a reminder that the Connect Math quiz is due on the following Monday. Okay, so we've got our overview, discussion board activity. This time we've got a Getting Started quiz as well as the Connect Math quiz, and then some videos to watch. In those discussion boards, if you haven't done Canvas before, you might not be familiar. In the discussion board, I've already posted mine. So I've got my biography here, introducing myself to the class. To post your own, to start a new thread, you want to click on the reply box at the very top. So if I click on that reply box, it's going to open up a text box, and I've got lots of different options here. Once I've typed in what I want to type in, I would hit post reply, and that would be your introduction to the class. Part of this is also to reply to a classmate. To do that, you're going to find a post, this is mine, and you're going to click on the reply box at the bottom of that post. That's going to connect yourself to that particular thread. And then once you've typed in what you want to type in, you hit post reply. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. Okay, so a few more things about the class. So we've already seen the modules. These videos, homework FAQ, these are videos that I've made for students over the past several years as they have sent me in homework and quiz questions. This is an excellent resource for you. I do make video solutions, so if you happen to ask me a question about homework in Connect Math or a quiz question in Connect Math or something about one of the lecture videos, I will often reply with a video. These are all the videos that I've made for students. I've tried to label them the best I can. You might have to kind of sift through, they're not necessarily in order, but go ahead and look through. Chances are you're going to find a video explanation to one of the questions that you yourself have. So this is an excellent resource as you're working through the homework and quizzes. Also, we have the grades. So if I click on grades, I'm just logged in as a test student right now. As I click on the grades, right now there isn't any grades, but you'll find that all of the grades are here. You'll have a Connect Math overall average, so that's going to be just cut and paste from the Connect Math. It's synchronized automatically, which is great, but it will take your overall score from Connect Math. So you'll just see one Connect Math score, which is the average of your Connect Math scores. As we get started, that's going to show up as a 0, so just kind of beware. That's the way it works. You get a 0 until you've taken that first Connect Math quiz. Once you've taken that first Connect Math quiz, it will just start syncing and updating your Connect Math score as you build more and more. So this is a great way to take a look at your overall score. Let's see, we've talked about that. We've talked about that. I also want to talk about the calendar. The calendar shows you, again, another way just to look at what's coming due at a glance here. So as we scroll down, you'll notice that I've got the first day of class here, biography discussion board coming up. So this is a really nice way to see what you've got coming due. I'm not going to click on the inbox because I have everybody's messages in here, but the inbox is how you'd want to contact me. Also how you will read messages from me as well. So you can go ahead and click on that inbox. Your account, I don't think it's going to open up anything because I'm a test student, just looking at the student view right now, but the account is the way that you can update your profile picture. You can change the notifications, how you get notified of grades being posted, announcements being posted. Maybe you want those to go to your cell phone, maybe you want those to go to your email. You would do that through the account over here. So I think that's it. So I encourage you to take a look at there we go. So I encourage you to take a look at everything that we've got here in the Canvas website. Send me pictures as you've got questions. I will be available on a regular basis once the quarter starts on Monday the 24th.